Morning students, welcome to Institute of Economics and Management Studies. In my previous video, we have discussed about the general aspect of GST. Today, I am giving in my next video the more concepts of GST. The first country to implement GST was France in 1954. India has the highest tax slab in the world, 28%, next to Argentina, 27%. Means India charges higher taxes in the world, maximum limit of 28%. Almost around 160 countries in the world has adopted the concept of GST. As you know, in my previous video, the GST slab was 5%, 12%, 18% and 28% with cess on luxuries item. This is the additional cess apart from other taxes. There is a special rate of 3% on precious metal, that is gold. GST has a 5 legislation: Central GST Act, State GST Act, Integrated GST Act, Union Territory GST Act, GST Compensation to State Act. Integrated GST, compensation cess and central GST are charged by the central government. All taxation policies and the implementations are based on recommendation of a GST Council. I will give you detail about the GST Council. The taxable event under GST is supply. Means it is based on supply based model. GST bill was introduced under 122 Constitutional Amendment Bill but passed under 101 Amendment Act 2016. Assam was the first state to ratify GST, but Telangana was first state to pass state GST bill. GST Council was constituted with headquarters in Delhi. The Union Finance Minister is the chairperson of GST Council. State Finance Minister are member of GST Council. 1st July will be observed as GST Day of every year. The threshold limit of GST is 20 lakhs. For some special category, it is 10 lakh. Means GST comes under the slab of 20 lakhs. There is a special purpose vehicle called GSTN, which caters the IT needs of GST. GST come under Company Act 2013 with combined stake of central and state governments is 49%. Rest is contributed by LIC Finance with 11% stake, and with ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank and National Stock Exchange cover around 10% stake in GST. GST Council modify and monitor taxation policy, has recommended a uniform policy on a bill passed in the Constitution and has eliminated 17 indirect taxes in India. The central excise, there was variable rates under excise duty such as 2%, 10%, 18%, 24% and 27% with multiple valuations and various exemptions. There was VAT VAT charge on different goods. To make a uniform process, GST was introduced in the country. The concept of GST is based on various mechanisms, which we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.